Hey, what's up? So in this video, we'll be dealing with the registration UI part, and we'll be making the fragments, email, gender, and the password fragments. So this is the original Facebook app uh, installed on my device, and when I click on Create New Facebook Account button, it just redirects me to the registration part, the activity, and I have this name fragment here and two edit text. So these are basically input edit text. So, and this is the birthday fragment. When I click on next, I am redirected to the gender fragment. After this, we have the email and the password fragment. Okay, so let's get started by creating the register activity, which will contain basically the whole fragment and this toolbar and this whole fragment. Okay, so the fragment will be in the frame layout and this will be in the toolbar. So toolbar match parent and the height would be 50 dp and the uh, background color would be color available. Done. And now I'll be bringing a frame layout which would be match parent and the height would be uh, let's take it 100 dp for now. Let's go to design and now it, I'll constrain this frame and this toolbar on the screen. Just make a connection to the top, the left, and the right, and just remove the margins. Make its connection on the left, on the right, on the bottom, and on the top. Okay, so we have 0 dp, and this would be 0. This would also be 0. This will also be 0. Okay, so let's take a 32-bit margin from the top and 32 from the bottom, and make this height wrap content. Okay, let me add this action bar registration activity and this assign an ID of fragment container registration activity, and let us move to the fragment name. So this would contain a text view like this and two edit text. These are basically input text layouts, but I'll do the edit text for this. If you want to use the input text layout, text input layout, you can use that also. So let's make text view with match parent height wrap content, and the text size would be 22 sp and the text would be what's your name, and this color would be black and the style would be bold. Okay, so the text alignment will be in the center, and the margins would be uh, 32 dps. And I'll make this with the relative relative layout. I'll assign an ID to this. ID, this would be text view, simple. This is a text view, okay. So I need two edit text, one here and one here. So this would be edit text, and if it would width would be uh, mm, what should I do now? Okay, so let us make a linear layout for this, and the linear layout width would be match parent and height would be wrap content. And now uh, I'll assign weight sum of 2, and this would contain two edit text view. So this is one edit text, and the width would be 0 dp, and the weight would be 1. The height would be wrap content. Sign and hint the name, sorry, the first name, extract string resource first name, and an ID to it. ID first name edit edit text. For edit text we use et, and this is what? This is fragment name. Copy this thing and paste it again. This is the last name. So now hint would be last name, weight is 1 and the weight is 1. Let's create margin of around 16 dp each, 16 dp and 16 dp, and this would be below the text view, and the gravity, sorry, not the gravity, center horizontal would be true. The width would be match parent. So width would be match parent. Okay, so this looks great. This looks awesome. Okay. Let me do one more thing. Uh, okay, just leave it. Okay, so now I need to make a next button. Basically, that button would be a text view with a special background. This would be a text view which would have match parent width and height of wrap content. The text would be next. Extract string resource next. Done. And the color of the string would be white, and background, so I need to make one background for it. Create new drawable resource file, and this would be next button background. Okay, so next button back next button background. Click, hit enter, click on this would be item, and the shape and shape will be rectangle, solid. The color would be FB light blue. Light blue is fine. And then the corners, the radius will be around 5 dp. Then the padding will be the top is 8, bottom will be 8, left would be 30 dp, right will be 30 dp. Done. And this next button background would be uh, next button background. Okay, so this will be uh, below this linear layout, below I'll assign an ID to it, linear layout. This would be temporary ID, fragment name. So below linear layout fragment name, and with the margin of 32, not 32, 24. No, not 24, 16 dp. Okay, so this one with 16 dp, and the text alignment be the center, and the text size, so not this size, the size would be 16 sp. Then I'll assign an ID to it, ID next button, next button, uh, next button, red, fragment name. Okay, so this looks completely fine. This looks awesome. So now I need to create the rest of the screen. So I'm leaving this part here. You can just download this Facebook activity and just make all those UIs and all. You just need to create these fragments, the gender and the email, just an edit text and the name and the next button. So see you guys in the next video. I'll be uploading it soon. Bye bye.